Hey guys, it's Jolene here with the Home Stitchery Decor YouTube channel. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I am Jolene. I'm from Calgary, Alberta, Canada. I sell modern farmhouse home decor. I do print on demand. I have some digital files, and then I have my wonderful YouTube channel. So thank you for being here, friends. If you like content like this, please hit the subscribe button, and we're going to get right into today's video. So a lot of you are wanting to start your own businesses and just wondering exactly how about getting this going. And a lot of questions come up to me about print on demand and exactly what it is. So print on demand allows you to create your own designs or use design elements from different websites, alter them, put them onto products that you don't produce. So design a product that you don't produce, and then link them to your Shopify store or your Etsy store. And if you're new here, I'm a Shopify affiliate, and I always recommend starting with Shopify first and then linking things over to Etsy if you've got time, but don't rely on Etsy. And then starting to sell your own products that way, your own products, which are actually products that feature your design. So you're just going to move along the trail here a little bit quicker. Okay, so great. How do we do that? So there are a couple of places here that you can do this, and I'm just going to go back to the main screen here of Printify. Okay, so Printify is one of the main platforms that I use for design work. And I do have another video, I think, where I showed you different design platforms, and if I do, I'll link it here, but let's just stick with Printify for today. And so Printify has all of these wonderful products, and then it connects to your store. So whether you have a Walmart store, I'm not even sure what this one is, this B thing here, Squarespace store, Wix store, WooCommerce, Etsy store, Shopify store. I think there's Square API, and then, oh geez, they have so many that they connect with. So just go and look and see if it will connect with the platform that you want to use. If you're brand new, I always recommend starting with Shopify. I'll put a link in the video description. There will be links for absolutely everything I can link to in the video description. So don't even bother writing this stuff down. If you choose to shop through a link, of course, I'm an affiliate. I will get a small commission, so thank you for doing that. You can search these products all on your own. You're not required to support me by shopping through a link, but I just want to get the training out there, and hopefully we can get some more people back into the economy. Making money for themselves is my goal. All right, so here is Printify, and I'm just going to come into the catalog and show you guys some of the products that are actually in the catalog that may be beneficial to you. So there's all kinds of t-shirts, hoodies, sweatshirts, long sleeve shirts, sportswear, bottoms, swimmer shoes. Like, it just goes on and on. Even if you just come in here and click, you can click on kitchen accessories. We've got table runners, coin napkins, cutting boards, aprons, tea towels, tablecloths, kitchen towels, coasters, napkins. Like, it just goes on and on and on. So another one that they have, and I just wanted to point this one out to you because I think this one could go pretty quickly if you decide to do this one. So in baby items, they have a baby change pad cover, and you can click on this one and start designing for a baby change pad cover pretty quickly. So here's the change pad. You can click start designing. Like, yes, you have to set up your own account, all that kind of fun stuff. You have to set things up. But once you're into Printify and you've decided which niche you're going to start designing for, Printify makes it easy. They tell you the print area size as soon as you select start designing. So you could take this number for the print area size into any of these other programs that I'm going to show you here pretty quickly and start designing your design. So how do we know this sells? Well, if you come on over to Etsy, I've just clicked here on Etsy. This definitely looks like a print-on-demand baby pad cover, and this is not going to be that hard to design for. So what we can do here is select the place that you want to start with your designs, and I'm going to give you 4 options for where to get some designs, either from, alter, etc. So one of the first places I want to talk to you guys about is Creative Fabrica. They have a monthly subscription plan, and it is basically a graphic design platform, and they have I mean, a boatload of graphic designs here. And then they have scripts and fonts. So what you would need to do is sign up for, I think they might even have a free plan. Or it's not that bad, $3.99 a month to get some designs. You're going to have to read the fine print on each and every design to make sure that you're allowed to use it for commercial use. And most likely, you would need to make some alterations to that design. So pull in a couple of different elements, or like, so say you were designing like this humor animal thing. Pull in a mouse, pull in some words, make a design together. And that it's easy enough to do. You just need to watch a few videos on it and get started as to how to do that. But typically, I don't recommend just taking a design from just like a standalone design like this Best Dad t-shirt and putting it on a t-shirt and calling it your own. Make some alterations to the designs. It's probably going to be in the fine print that you can't do that anyway. So those are, a great way to get started. And the thing with getting started is more about practice than it is about perfection. So if you just get started, you're going to find that you're going to go much quicker. So you can start with Creative Fabrica, and the better that you get at things, start making your own designs. So a great place that you can make your own designs and you can actually start for free is with Canva. Canva does have free accounts. And then I know that I pay for the pro account where I get all of the pro elements, and I can create my own designs in Canva. And I pay, I think it's $150 a year Canadian for all of the features that I use in Canva. And the amount of work that I do in Canva is just astronomical. So I highly recommend just paying for it. But I understand when you're first getting started, you need to start somewhere. You just won't have access to everything in your free account with Canva. So right now, if I was going to design a 5,000 by 5,000 pixel design, I could come over to Elements here, and I could search up baby deer, see what comes up for baby deer. Oh, look, we've got an element right here. There's a baby deer. And now we could do floral. Let's do floral borders, see what comes up for a floral border. Pick one of these ones. Here's a floral border, and we're well on the way to designing our baby change pad, just like that. You cannot, again, just sell the element on its own as your own design. You need to create designs with multiple elements, and you need to read the fine print for all of the platforms that you're working on. So this is how you could create a design right in Canva really quickly for your baby change pad. And you're going to have to play around with the sizing and dimensions and all that kind of stuff. If you go back to Printify, they actually gave you the sizing and dimensions. And if this size is too big for Canva, you can just divide it by 2 or divide it by 4 for your pixel size, just depending on how high this print area size is. And then bring your design back over into your Printify product. And just walk through the process. I mean, trial and error. Make sure that you preview all of your items. Make sure that you've got as high a pixelation as possible so that your products don't come out blurry. You could do this with Canva. Totally get started for free. And Printify itself is free to sign up for. What happens with Printify is once you've placed your product onto your Shopify store or your Etsy store or your Walmart store, when the customer puts the order through, you're going to have to pay for the product first. And then once the payment has been fully processed, by whichever payment processing you decide to use, and everything's gone through properly, then you'll get the payment back for that. So you do need to have a little bit of money up front to make sure that you can cover the cost of whatever you're selling. So yeah, that's a great way to do it. And they give you all of the information here. So you can just go to Printify first, find what you want to design for, and then pick a platform to start making the designs from. Now, the next plan, or the next place I'm going to tell you about is where you can make your own designs is Kittl. And Kittl has a free plan. You have 20 AI credits, single use, work on 20 projects, low resolution image export. So, I mean, that's kind of, commercial license requires attribution. I highly recommend just getting the pro account, which is $10 a month, billed at $120 annually. You get 30 AI credits per day. You can work on 100 projects. You've got full commercial license. You've got advanced AI features. It's really quite easy to work on. And Kittl also has all kinds of templates that you can work on as well. So say you wanted to make stickers and you've decided that stickers is going to be the way that you're going to go. Kittl has all kinds of pre-designed things here to get you actually started on your design journey. So once again, read the fine print for what's allowed, what isn't allowed, all of that kind of fun stuff, and get started on your sticker journey. So this one is Christmas ornaments sticker journey. A great way to see if something is selling is to just literally go to Etsy and go Christmas sticker. Let's see what's happening here with Christmas stickers. So these Christmas sticker sheet set, Tail Digital Design Co. This is a local seller. This set of stickers is $4.50. You could design stickers and then design a whole entire sheet of them, and basically just get this out the door for Christmas time. It's really not that hard. You could even design something like this, I'm sure, in Canva. If we come back up here to Canva and type out, you could do it with this deer and make it like put some floral stuff around this deer and make it into a Christmas sticker really quite easily right here in Canva. So now that's 2 products that you can make with the same work that you're doing in Canva. So just when you're doing stuff, I always stumble on my words, but when you're doing stuff, you should try to think about how could I repurpose this work that I'm already doing, right? So if I make a baby change pad cover, could I make a Christmas deer cover or Christmas deer sticker? So we could also type in Christmas deer and see what comes up for a Christmas deer. Okay, so take this dude out here and let's go look for, you know, one that is more Christmassy. Well, here's one here that's more Christmassy. And combine these 2 elements here and save them in the formats that's needed, and voila, you can create your own stickers. And yeah, basically use Kittl, Canva, and create a Fabrica, are 3 that I've covered so far. And the next one I'm going to cover is Reaper. So Reaper allows you to create repeat patterns. And repeat patterns are so, they're just hot commodities. Anytime you can have a repeat pattern, you can put it on an endless amount of things. It's absolutely crazy. So you can switch between yearly and monthly billing. They have payment options. Can I use my own images to make patterns? Yes, you absolutely can. Is Reaper still being developed? Yes, it is. The monthly plan is $19.99 a month. And if you purchase it for a year, you're going to save 25% and get it for, this is Canadian prices. So Americans are obviously going to pay less for this. So they also have features here. They're going to show you how to get designs. So essentially you can start making wallpaper. You can start making your own fabric. Or if you're like me, you can start creating your own shower curtains. And I can just bring mine up and show you really quickly. I wonder if it's in my Canva account. That would probably be easier. Okay, here, we're going to pull up one of my projects. Here's a repeat pattern that I created in Reaper, and it's my own shower curtain design that I have now put onto a shower curtain. This is a mock-up that I actually bought from Etsy a couple of days ago, and I'm actually going to do a tutorial on how to use this mock-up in a minute here as well for you guys today. But that's 4 places. So sign up for a Printify account, sign up for a Shopify store, and then sign up for one of those 4 platforms. So there was Creative Fabrica, Canva, Kittl, and Reaper. 4 places that you guys can start making your own designs today. That's it for today's tutorial. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. And good luck with your business. We'll see you in the next video. Bye. You can do it.